Hey everyone, John Doan here from Equinox Home Financing again. So we've been talking about buying rental properties using a DSCR program or a cash flow program. So a lot of people always ask me, John, if I'm doing a DSCR program, do the loan, we don't use your personal income. Instead, we have the appraiser who goes out and appraises the home. What they do is not only will they appraise what the value of the property is and what it's worth, but they will also come back with a secondary report called a market rent survey. That market rent survey will then tell us what this home can rent for on a monthly basis. Now again, as long as that monthly rent survey comes back and says that it can cover our mortgage payment, then you're good to go. So let's do an example. If you're gonna buy a home and you're gonna loan or borrow $300,000 and your new mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance, is $2,500 a month, that market rent survey that comes back from the appraiser must be $2,500 or higher. Otherwise, it's called a negative cash flow. And we'll talk about that on a different video. That's still doable, but at this moment, it will work. And what we're trying to do is to get it to cash flow so you get the best terms possible. So what does it take to make sure you cash flow? It's all about the down payment and the interest rate, right? There's a combination of different things. If you have a high credit score and you have a large down payment, you're probably gonna cash flow because the loan that you're borrowing will be smaller and your interest rates will be lower, which means your payments will be lower, opposed to someone who may have lower credit scores and little down payment. My typical recommendation, even though the program has a 20% minimum down payment, my opinion is that when you put 25% down or more, you will always cash flow, and you could buy a short-term rental to make sure that you cash flow. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Subscribe to our channel below so you can find out more about home financing.